Hello everyone, my name is Bankole Adeyemo, DC of Banks Creative. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the tutorial. But before we start, the first thing I will advise you is to always shoot in RAW to get perfect results. So number one thing we have to do here is duplicate our layer. So we go to Camera Raw and open Camera Raw. You reduce the highlights a bit and increase the contrast to give it more clarity, then reduce the shadow a bit. We need the clarity more. So whatever slide that you are going to pull here depends on what you want to achieve. So you have to consider the dress color, the skin color, and the exposure and all that. So as you can see here, I'm only playing with purple and yellow color because that's what I have in my picture here. So let's increase it a little bit to give it more clarity. So now we are heading to color calibration. You just have to give it a little touch, increase it a bit, the saturation a bit, as you can see the effects. Now let's go back to our curve. A lot of people think curve is only for increasing brightness and reducing it. No, it is also for color grading. So what we have to do here, as you can see the difference now. What you have to do here, let's go to blue and play with the blue a bit to give us a different feel. You are going to see now. So as you can see, so let's play with the blue a bit. We don't want it to be too much, so we just have to play with the blue a bit. Okay, I think this is okay here. Now let's head on to red to play with the color there as well. Okay, I think it is okay here. It is perfect now. Now let's play with the green a little bit. Okay, it is fine. So when you're done playing with the color, you can just hit on OK to save your color grading. You can also save these settings in case you need it for another picture. So let's go back to our basic and may want to play with the shadow a bit more for more clarity. Then hit on OK when you're done. So this, let's say before and after. This is after and this is before color grading. You can see the difference. So if you don't want to go through the stress of shifting different slides for different pictures under different colors, I have created a pack that contains 36 loot files and it is beautiful, trust me. It has been tested on both indoor and outdoor pictures under different exposure and skin tones. However, you have to explore different loot file on different pictures because each picture has different exposure, color profile, skin tones, and etc. So you have to explore to know which one is perfectly fit for each picture. Every of your pictures, we have at least 10 presets that will perfectly fit for your pictures. But if you do not want this, I also have another pack that contains 26 presets. That is basically for color grading. It is basically for color grading. So let's explore our color grading presets now. So all you have to do is just install it and start clicking on it one after the other to check which one perfectly fits for which of your pictures. Like I said earlier, there are different pictures under different exposures, so it means you have to explore different presets to know which one will perfectly fit your picture. The one that perfectly fits picture A may not perfectly fit picture B, which means you have to explore each and every preset in the pack. So we have two packs here. The first one is 36 in one loot pack. This is the second one. This is specifically for color grading presets. The 36 in one pack, which is the loot pack, works on Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, Photoshop, Capture One, On One, Lightroom, Affinity Photo, and Lumina. While the 26 in one pack, which is the color grading pack, works on Lightroom, Adobe Camera Raw, and etc. And you can also test it on other photo editing software. Also, this color grading pack works with video as well. You just only have to explore. So if you want any of this pack, click on the link below. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.